Are you looking for ways to make money online from the comfort of your home? What if you could earn a full-time income without leaving your house? The opportunities to make money online are endless, thanks to new technologies, platforms, and innovative ideas. Whether you're an expert in a specific field or just looking for a way to start earning in your spare time, the internet is full of ways to bring in extra income. In this video, we're diving into the top 8 ways to make money online from home, and some of them may surprise you. Stick around until the end, and we'll help you find the perfect side hustle or even a new career path. So let's get started. 1. AI tools, auditing, and consulting. Have you ever wondered how businesses handle the rapid growth of artificial intelligence? Many small businesses struggle to keep up with the overwhelming number of AI tools available. This creates an opportunity for those who have a knack for understanding AI to offer AI audits. AI auditing involves assessing a company's operations, identifying time-consuming tasks, and recommending AI tools that can make their business more efficient. Imagine working with businesses that need help integrating AI into their processes, from content generation to data analysis. The key is not just knowing how to use AI, but understanding how to apply it strategically to save time and boost productivity. If you're tech-savvy and understand how AI tools work, this could be a great way to make money online. And with businesses eager to implement AI, but unsure where to start, your expertise will be highly valuable. As an AI consultant, you could charge hourly fees, typically ranging from $50 to $150 per hour, depending on your experience and the complexity of the project. The demand for AI consultants is only going to increase, making a lucrative avenue to explore. 2. Selling niche digital products. Have you ever thought about selling digital products online? Selling niche digital products is one of the easiest ways to earn a profit with minimal overhead. Think about selling Notion templates, budget planners, or even industry-specific ebooks. But here's the trick. Specificity is the key to standing out. Instead of selling a generic business guide, offer something targeted like how to land your first $1,000 client in 30 days. Digital products like these have high profit margins, and you don't need to deal with physical inventory or shipping. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it simple to set up a digital store. And with proper marketing, your products can quickly reach a global audience. The great thing is you can create once, sell repeatedly, and keep the profits. If you're good at design or have expertise in a particular area, creating digital products tailored to specific niches could be a profitable and scalable business model. Start small, and as your product offerings grow, so will your potential earnings. 3. User-generated content, UGC, creation. What if you could make money just by creating videos on your phone? With the rise of user-generated content, UGC, brands are paying creators to produce high-quality, authentic product demonstrations. Unlike traditional influencer marketing, UGC allows you to work with brands even if you don't have a large following. It's all about creating content that sells. Imagine filming a quick demo of a product, whether it's showing how a fitness gadget works or how a tech accessory improves your daily life. The key is authenticity. Brands love working with creators who can capture genuine reactions and engage their audience in a way that feels real rather than polished and overproduced. You don't need a huge social media following to start making money with UGC. All you need is a good camera, your smartphone works, and the ability to create content that tells a story. The pay can range from $100 to $5,000 per project, depending on the brand and your video's quality. 4. Skill-based freelancing, AI augmented. In today's world, freelancing is no longer just about offering basic services like writing or graphic design. Thanks to AI, specialized freelancers are in high demand. If you're skilled in areas like AI, prompt engineering, cybersecurity, or data analysis, you can command hourly rates that range from $35 to $200 per hour. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to showcase your expertise and connect with clients. AI tools are also making it easier for non-technical freelancers to increase their productivity. For instance, writers use AI writing assistants to speed up content creation, while designers can use AI-based design tools to streamline their work. This not only helps you serve more clients, but also increases your earning potential. If you have a specialized skill set and an understanding of how to integrate AI into your work, AI-augmented freelancing could be a highly profitable way to work online. 5. Micro course and workshop hosting. Do you have a skill you're passionate about? Whether it's writing, graphic design, or even photography, you can turn your expertise into income by hosting micro courses and workshops. Short, focused courses are becoming more popular than long, multi-module programs. Instead of spending weeks developing a full-blown course, focus on one actionable skill and share it with your audience. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to create and sell your own online courses, while hosting live workshops can provide real-time engagement and higher ticket sales. The best part is that micro courses don't require long-term commitments, and they can be scaled quickly. Whether you're teaching professional skills like coding or something more niche like advanced photography techniques, there's an audience for it. Pricing can vary depending on the complexity of the course, but you could easily earn $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on your course's popularity. 6. Modern dropshipping and print-on-demand pod. In recent years, dropshipping and print-on-demand pod have become highly popular and lucrative. The best part? You don't need to hold any inventory or deal with shipping. You create an online store, partner with suppliers, and let them take care of the rest. With Pod, you can even sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs without worrying about stock. What makes this even more lucrative is the use of AI to track trends, predict what product will sell, and automate the entire process. This means you can focus on designing products and marketing them, while the technology handles the logistics. Thanks to AI-driven insights, your online store can operate smoothly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on scaling your business. You can start a pod or dropshipping business with minimal investment, and depending on your niche, you could earn anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 per month. 7. Online tutoring and professional coaching. The global e-learning market is growing rapidly, creating plenty of opportunities for online tutoring and coaching. Whether you're teaching math, coding, or offering career coaching, platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, and Preply make it easier to connect with clients. As a tutor, you can charge $20 to $40 per hour, depending on your subject matter expertise. For coaching, especially in professional skills like leadership, communication, and personal development, you can command even higher rates. If you have a background in education or you're an expert in a particular field, tutoring or coaching online could be a fulfilling and profitable way to make money. Plus, with more students and professionals seeking personalized help, the demand for these services is only expected to grow. 8. Affiliate marketing, trust-based. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. If you've ever clicked on a product link in a blog post or social media caption and made a purchase, you've probably been a part of affiliate marketing. The key to success in affiliate marketing is building trust within a niche community. Instead of recommending products to anyone and everyone, focus on providing value to a specific audience. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, share products you personally use and trust and recommend them to your audience through blogs, newsletters, or social media. This model has evolved from being a passive income source to requiring dedication and authenticity. The more trust you build with your audience, the more likely they are to purchase products you recommend. In 2026, successful affiliate marketers can earn anywhere from $500 to $20,000 per month, depending on their niche and engagement level. There you have it, the top 8 ways to make money online from home. Whether you're looking for a full-time career or just an extra stream of income, these methods offer something for everyone. Choose one that suits your skills and interests, and start building your online income today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Drop a comment below to let us know which method you're excited to try first. Stay tuned for more, and remember, your journey to earning from home starts now.